A St. Mary family is taking the municipal corporation to task for failing to manage a flooding situation in Islington that has made their lives miserable. We were told a resident constructed a concrete wall in the community that has blocked one of the major storm drains. Kelisha Williams has the details.
Elaine Fleming recounting how the recent rain events have been making her life miserable. She said she has been living in the community since 1963 and she didn't have an issue. However, since one of her neighbors constructed this concrete wall and covered the drain,
all the water flood, 3-inch of water, 4-inch of water, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, living room, kitchen. The stove can't work again. The fridge can't work again.
Ms. Fleming said numerous reports have been made to the St. Mary Municipal Corporation and the representatives visited the community and cleared the blocked drain. However, the concrete wall was again erected. We were also informed that her neighbor's farm was also impacted by the flood water after the corporation cleared the blocked drain, and so she decided to take the corporation to court. And so the municipal corporation has since taken a step back from addressing the drainage issue.
But the problem is you're affecting my mama home. The water seep under the foundation of the house. Yes. Anytime rainfall, problem. That's why this letter by the liar was written to her and give her 21 days to click on that.
And 21 days passed.
From 2009.
Oh, Lord.
In the meantime, the St. Mary Municipal Corporation said it is aware of the situation and will be working to address it. The CEO told our news team that the corporation may have to acquire lands to construct a new drain. The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, is also investigating the matter and will visit the community soon. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.